Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Caitlin and today we are unboxing the 2022 summer Fab Fit Fun box. This is my fourth box. I'll leave linked in the cards the other boxes in case you're interested in the types of things you get in this box, but let's get into the unboxing. If you're new to the channel, or even if you're not new and you haven't yet, I would love if you consider clicking that subscribe button. I upload videos 2 times a week. It's totally free to subscribe, and I would love to have you back on the channel. And I'm so close to 400 subscribers. I would really love to hit that number. That would make me feel so great. So yeah, support the channel. All right, let's get into this box. So I always forget the price of these. I'll leave it down here. I'll look in my other videos of what the cost is. I paid for a year up front so that I could choose all of my items in the box, and I think I did choose them all this time. They now give you the option to pick a mystery item if you don't like any of the items that they've listed as choices, but I'm pretty sure I picked them all, but it's been so long I don't remember what I picked, to be honest. So we'll see what we get here. Ooh, we got some little stickers. Take those to school. My children at school love stickers. Here's a little $15 off your first box. If you want to pause the screen and you're interested, there you go. And this is my fourth box, so I've done it for a year. This comes out quarterly. I have to decide after this box if I'm going to renew or not, because I like the stuff in the box. I definitely have gotten my money's worth, but also like it is still, you know, that much a box that I could be saving and that I don't like need this stuff. So I got to decide what I want to do. You always get a little magazine that comes with it. Of course, this is the summer one. It talks about like the products that come in your box. Then they usually give you some other ads in here too. Looks like I have a Daily Harvest coupon. All right, let's see what we've got in this box, you guys. So first off, we have from Kayo, not sure how you say this brand, a body scrubber. Here it is. Oh. Okay, so it's just like this. I don't know how you really hold it. Like there's these holes, but I guess you just scrub your body with it. I don't know. Are there instructions? Okay, so there's no instructions, just a little like silicone packet. So I guess I'll have to read the magazine, but this says it's a body scrubber. I'm guessing to exfoliate. Feels very rubbery, almost like something I would wash my sponges or my makeup brushes with. So I don't know. All body scrubbers I've ever used have been more like scratchy, like cloth material, mitt type thing. So I'll have to read more about that and see what the deal is. I don't remember picking that, but maybe I did. Next up is from Tula. I do remember picking this one because I've only tried one thing from Tula. I got it as a free Ulta gift and I really liked it. It was a cleanser, so I want to try more from the brand. So this is from Tula. It is the Protect and Glow Daily Sunscreen Gel Broad Spectrum SPF. It has UVA and UVB protection. So protect and glow, and I'm going to, I could have used this in Greece. It was so hot, you guys, every day. But I am also going to Florida in a little over a week, so I will definitely take this. I do really like having a separate facial sunscreen, and I do sometimes use sunscreens like as primers, you know, like I'll use a sunscreen as my base and then maybe do just like something pore filling, and that works really well under my makeup. So excited to give this Tula Sunscreen Gel. It doesn't even say for the face, does it? Just says gel broad spectrum sunscreen, so I guess I could use it all over the body. I was thinking for the face though, because it says it won't clog pores, which, you know, usually you're worried more about clogging pores on your face than I feel like other places, although my chest does get breakouts and blackheads and things like that occasionally too. So this says it will protect you against the damaging effects of pollution and blue light. So yeah, I guess good for indoors too, and on the face for blue light protection. So I'm excited to try that one out. Next up, they gave me a little freebie. I actually got some of these in my last box and I love them, you guys. I really like them, and this is a new flavor I haven't tried. This is the Liquid IV. There was a good portion at school for like a week or two where I was going, like 12-hour days every day. Concerts, award banquets, you name it. And whenever I don't get enough sleep, that's when my body like is really susceptible to getting sick. So I was trying so hard to like sleep as soon as I got home, even though that meant like no free time. It was work and sleep. And I was also trying to hydrate, to stay hydrated, not dehydrated, take care of myself, you know, flush any bad stuff in my system. So this Liquid IV, it tastes so good, and I really do feel like it kept me going when I was super busy. And you know, when I talk a lot or sing a lot, I get really dry too in my throat. So this helped to hydrate. So this one's the Guava flavor. I didn't try that one. but I really like this to the point that I would love to buy more, and there is a code for 30% off. So I really do think I'm gonna be buying that. And I do like this box for that you can try new brands and things for a fraction of the cost than if you just bought it alone. I know this box it's like $200 a year or something like that, you know, because it's in the $40, $50 per box range or something, but some of this stuff would cost that much for just one item. So that's why I'm considering continuing it. Okay, ooh, I do remember this one now. I'm so excited. From Sonics, I got the Bluetooth speaker. I do have one I got from Wish, but it's like, the quality's kind of It's fine for inside, like if you're in that room, it's not fantastic. I just dropped all of the accessories, of course, but I got this because I just want to spend more time on my patio this summer. So I wanted to get a cute little speaker for outside on my patio to connect to my phone, and there's like a little charging cord and a little like carrier little cord to go on it. So we'll see how the quality is on that, but yeah, it's just a cute little Bluetooth speaker that I was like, that's actually something I could use, you know, since I'm getting it in the box and not buying it separately. It's not like, oh my gosh, I'm going to like crawl into the ground and die if something happens to it, you know. I just feel like the cost is more built into the box this way. Maybe that's just my mindset. I'm really excited to test this one out since I wanted it for like, just like to make sun tea in the summer, you know, like the big glass jars that you put tea bags and water in, you sit out in the sun, it makes tea. Some mango iced tea, patio furniture, Bluetooth speaker, like it just sounds heavenly to me. Next up, what is this? Picnic blanket. Okay, so maybe when I'm going outside enjoying, I can do this too. I'm not gonna lie, I don't like the pattern, the print. I think it's kind of ugly, but I mean, for something I'm gonna throw in the dirt and the grass, you know, that's fine. Little picnic blanket to spread out. I'm kind of curious how big it is. Okay, it says 50 by 70 inches, so I guess it's not huge, but we'll give it a whirl. That's, you know, summery picnic outside. Okay, next up we have the sea salt and citrus aromatherapy. Ooh, a candle. Oh, y'all know by now, if you've been following me, that I love a candle. I mean, I love a candle. I just do. Oh, okay, so I can already smell it. So good. Sea salt and citrus. I don't remember picking this either, but thank goodness I did. It smells amazing. It literally smells like sea salt and citrus. Okay, that immediately. Soy blend wax candle. Okay, this is, I kind of want to like this like for a cute little like nighttime moment on the patio too, but I don't know if I'd be able to smell it out there like that. But this is so good. The brand is Lasting Smiles is the name of the brand. It's essential oils, so maybe, I don't know, I'll have to be careful because I have cats and I know that, you know, essential oils, burning them or diffusing them is not good for them. So maybe I will burn it outside just for that fact alone. All right, next is a product that I've wanted to try for a while. I really love the Dr. Brandt Micro Dermabrasion product, and I've been wanting to try more from the brand since trying that one. So when I saw this from Dr. Brandt, I decided to get it. This is the Pores No More Pore Purifying Cleanser. So this is a cleanser, but it has salicylic acid, which is supposed to help with acne, tea tree oil, and white willow bark. So I'm definitely looking forward to this because it's specifically marketed for oily and combination skin. Hi, me. That's me. So yeah, I'm gonna give it a go to use as a cleanser and see if I notice anything difference in my skin. My skin's not terrible right now. It's pretty much just the same as normal, like the hormonal acne down here. I would love to get that fixed at some point, but like I don't know what to do for it. I just don't. So if you have any recommendations for hormonal acne other than, you know, medications that I'm already on, believe it or not, let me know in the comments down below. But I'm going to be trying this cleanser to see how we do. All right, last item already. I feel like there were less items in this box, but it's a huge box, you guys. And I definitely got a value, you know, the value. I know what that Dr. Brandt cleanser costs alone. So last thing is from Way, and it is a scalp and body scrub. I've really been liking, since I got more into dry shampoo, like once every couple weeks to do some kind of scalp like clarifying treatment. Right now I'm using one from Not Your Mother that I really like, but I wanted to just try more, and I saw this as an option, was like, oh hey, since it's an option, I'll try it. And body scrubs, ooh, exfoliating in the summer, like all of the sunscreen and sweat and stuff off. is really just an essential for me. So scalp and body scrub, you can do it for either. This is a huge jar, which I guess if it's gonna be for the body, you need a lot. I wanna smell it, I'm curious. Interesting. It smells good, but I really can't put my finger on what the scent is. Yeah, it doesn't say a scent description, it just says, you know, it has like fragrance in it in the ingredients. Sugar, coconut oil, and probiotics is what they say helps to cleanse your hair and body. I'm into this. I'm very excited. Like I said, I'm gonna use my other one up. My other one from Not Your Mother's is more of like a charcoal base. So yeah, I think it was a good box, you guys. Let me know what you guys think down below. Do you think this is a good value for the price? I do. I still though, I'm like, but even though it's a good value, do I need it? You know, it's one of those things where it's like, just because there's a sale doesn't mean you have to buy it. It's like my dad says, like, I know my mom and I are always like, guess how much I saved? It was this amazing deal. And my dad's like, well, guess how much you would have saved if you didn't buy it at all? Which is like, you know, crickets, like, okay, killjoy, shut me down, why don't you? But at the end of the day, he's not wrong. So even though it's a good deal, I don't need it. I need to decide if I'm gonna continue with this or not. Do you guys like watching these unboxing videos? Let me know that too, because that might help me decide what I do going forward. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I was really excited because, like I said, some stuff I didn't remember picking, or when I saw it was like, oh yeah, I did pick that. And I'm excited to use a lot of the items in here for summer. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye.